Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I am going to do a detailed review of Philips nose, ear and eyebrow trimmer. So this is series NT3000, NT3650. So you can see over here it is a very good texture, so it gives you a very nice grip even if it is wet. So it has a double sided precision blades, okay, and if I turn it on and I use it on my skin, it does not cause any harm or any hurt to my skin. So I will show you. So I turn it on, so you can see over here, even if it I'm okay using against my skin, it does not cause any harm. So it has a very good protection system as well. So it comes with two combs. The combs are just for the eyebrows, okay, the large and small comb. So the large is 5 mm and the small is 3 mm. So here how you can insert it, simply you see there is a gap over here, and then there is an extra side over here. So just simply insert it like this, okay. So just insert it like this and then simply push it and then click, and then it is ready to use. So you just have to use it against your hair growth from outside towards inside. I will also show you in the picture, okay. So you can see over here you have to move it in this direction. You can see over here, so in this direction you have to move it. And so once you're ready, you just turn it on and just use for the eyebrows. So if you want to use for the nose and ear, you don't need these combs. So I take it out, okay. You just have to use as it is, okay. You just have to use with this one. So simply whenever you are using for your nose, just clean your nose and put it inside no more than zero point 0.5 centimeter, and then just simply rotate it, okay. So you just simply rotate it with your within your nose, and then it will trim your nose hair. And for the ear, you don't have to insert no more than zero point 0.5 centimeter, and then just simply turn it on and then just simply rotate it, okay, like this, okay. So then you can trim your hairs. Okay, so guys, this is completely waterproof. Whenever you are using it, when you cleaning it under the water, just turn it on and off, okay. So you can clean it completely. If you want to remove it, it is very simple to remove this part, the top part. What you can do is, you see this arrow, okay, you just have to move it, okay, and just rotate it and then simply pull it outside, okay. I just simply rotate it like this, okay, and then just simply move it upward, and then you can see this is how it looks from inside. So guys, it does not need any kind of oil, okay. No need to put any oil inside, okay. So this is how it looks like. And when you want to put it back, you see there is an arrow over here and there is an arrow on this side. So you just have to combine both these arrow like this, okay, and then simply rotate it like that. So this is how it works, okay. It comes with the battery. I will show you. The battery is on the back side. I will remove it and I will show you. So I just rotate it, okay. Just simply, you can see you rotate it anti-clockwise, okay, and then just simply you can take it out, okay. I will show you. Just simply take it out like this, okay. So this is how it looks like from the inside. So this is the battery, okay. This battery comes inside the box. It comes with this trimmer. So this is the power alkaline battery, okay. It is very durable, okay. So you can see over here, and even if it is finished, you can use the Duracell battery, okay. And to insert it, you see there is an instruction as well. So plus sign is on the upside and the minus on the downside, okay. So simply you see this plus sign over here on the battery, this one, and then just simply insert it like this, okay. And then when you want to put it, and you see on this side there is an arrow, okay, and then there is an arrow as well over here. So you just have to combine both these arrows, okay. So you can see over here, and then just simply rotate them, okay. Now it is ready to use, okay. So you can see over here, I turn it on. So this is how you can use it. So guys, it also comes with a pouch. I will show you the pouch, So if you want to travel, okay, you can insert in the pouch. So I will see if it is working, if it is going completely inside the pouch. So you can see over here, yes, it is going completely inside the pouch. Now simply you can do it like this, and then simply you can take it while you are traveling, and it is very lightweight. Okay, so you can see over here. So guys, the instruction manual also comes with it. It will show how you can use it for different functionalities for nose, ear and eyebrow. So you can see over here, it gives you all the details and how you can wash it. As I already mentioned, you can turn it on and off during the washing. Okay, so this is how you can use it. So guys, as I already mentioned, it does not cause any harm to your skin because it has protection system. Okay, so you can see over here, it has a protection system. It does not cause any harm to your skin while you're using, as I already show you here. So you can see over here, even if I do it like this, it does not cause any harm. So it gives you a complete protection while using for your nose, ear and eyebrows, because these are the sensitive areas, and it does not cause any cut to to the skin of these areas. It will only trim your hair. So guys, if we look at the combs are for eyebrows only. So they come in two sizes. One is large, okay, and one is small. So it is also mentioned on the comb. Okay, I will show you. So you can see over here, this is the large comb. It's written over here L. Okay, and this is the small one. Okay, so the large is 5 mm, okay, and the small is 3 mm. So this is how it looks like. So you can see over here, this is the large one. You can clearly see over here, it is big from this side, and this is the small one. So it's up to you whichever hair size you want for your eyebrows, so you can use this comb accordingly. Okay, so you can see over here, and you have to move from outside towards inside, as I already mentioned before. You have to move them against your hair growths, okay, when you are trimming your eyebrows hair. So these combs are only for the eyebrows. You don't have to use them for the nose and ear. For the nose and ear, you just have to use as it is, as it's already there. Okay, you don't have to put any of these combs. So for nose and ear, you just have to use this part. So guys, the material they are using here on this side, you can see over here, it does not cause any type of fingerprints. Okay, so you can see a very good material Philips use. Okay, it does not cause any kind of fingerprints. Okay, and it gives you a very good grip. So you can see over here, this is how it looks in my hands. Okay, so guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.